Today we will discuss about lesson 7 of our English reader book. It is a poem. We have already discussed about it. It is a poem, and the poet has written something about the spider and its work, and about the cobweb. Again we will recite it. The long stretch of cobwebs on telephone wires look white like the weaver's unfinished clothes at the worksite. Children, listen to me carefully. I think you are absent mind. Please listen to me. The long stretch of cobwebs on telephone wires look white like the weaver's unfinished clothes at the work site. We know what do you mean by cobweb? Cobweb means the spider net or the spider's net. You can also say spider net or spider's net on the telephone wires. Where is the cobweb? The cobweb is on the telephone wires. There are some telephone wires, on it there is a cobweb. Look white like the weaver's unfinished clothes at the work site. That means, like the weaver's unfinished clothes at the work site. The poet compares the cobwebs with the weaver's unfinished cloth. That means a cloth which is unfinished, not finished, not completed. It looks just like the spider's net, and it is at the work site when it is unfinished. When the cloth is unfinished, it must be at the work site where it is done. The busy spiders with their ceaseless spindles wave day and night. In this stanza, the poet calls the spider very busy. It is a very busy insect. All day and night, it is working on the cobweb. It is watching for insects to eat up. Okay, so it is very busy. It is waiting on the cobweb at any moment. So that is its work. So it is busy all day long and night. With their ceaseless spindles, wave day and night. Not only it watches for the insects, it also repairs its cobweb with its spindles. Spindle means two special organs are on the mouth by which it waves the cobweb, just like the weavers use spindle to wave cloths. Spindle is an instrument by which the weaver waves the cloth. Okay, do you understand what is the meaning of spindle? So the poet thinks here they have same work. The spiders with the net and the weavers with the cloths. Their work is same, but the materials are different. So the poet compared here the spiders with the spindles. The setting sun pours into them colors or rainbow bright, but the moon turns them into magic white. Now we have already seen what is called spindle. Spindle is an instrument of the weavers. Spindles are the instruments by which or the organ by which the spiders weave their cobweb. Okay? The setting sun, but the moon turns them into magic white. The setting sun changes its color into rainbow bright. We know how many colors in the rainbow. How many colors are there? 7 colors, we know. So when the setting sun's ray falls on the spider's net, it looks just like a rainbow. But when the moon comes in the sky and it gives its rays to the spider's net, it looks magic white. We know the ray of the moon is silvery and everything looks silver color. So it also looks silver color at night when the moon comes in the sky. So the poet says here that is magic white. Magic white means the silver white. The long stretch of cobwebs on the telephone wires look white like the weaver's unfinished clothes at the work site. Okay, children, then we will discuss about the question and answers. Look at this. I will ask you some questions. Answer the questions. Answer the questions. Don't worry, I will send you the question and answers. What do you mean by cobweb? What do you mean by cobwebs or cobweb? What do you mean by cobweb? Cobweb means the net made by the spider, or cobweb means the spider's net. Remember it. What do you mean by cobweb? Cobweb means the spider's net, or cobweb means the net made by the spider. Do you understand? Are you clear? Then, what is the color of the cobweb on the telephone wires? Number 2. First we will write the answer. We have to write like this. Cobweb means the net made by the spider. Cobweb means the net made by the spider. Then the next question is, what is the color of the cobweb? Number 2, what is the color of the cobweb on telephone wires? Look at children, look at this. What is the color of the cobweb on telephone wires? Think about it. Remind it. What is the color of the cobweb on telephone wires? It is? Yes, you say. Say, what is it? The color of the cobweb on the telephone wires is white. We have given in the book. What we have given? The long stretch of cobwebs on telephone wires look white like the weaver's unfinished clothes at the work site. It looks white. So what is the answer? The color of the cobweb, the color of the cobweb on telephone wires is white. Look, the color of the cobweb on telephone wires is white. What is the question? What is the color of the cobweb on telephone wires? The color of the cobweb on telephone wires is white. What is the answer? What is white? That means the color of the cobweb is white. Then we will go to the next question. Then where is the unfinished cloth? Where is the unfinished cloth? Where is the unfinished cloth? Who waves the cloths? Two questions are here. Where is the unfinished cloth? We have seen it in the book, like the weaver's unfinished cloths at the work site. So what is the answer? Where is the unfinished cloth? Can you say? Yes, you say. What is the answer? Where is the unfinished cloth? The unfinished cloth is at the work site. Where is the unfinished cloth? the unfinished cloth is at the work site. Who waves the cloth? Who waves the cloth? Who waves the cloth? The spider or the weaver? The weaver waves the cloth. So the answer is the unfinished cloth. The unfinished cloth is at the work site. At the work site. Then the next question is, who waves the cloth? Who waves the cloth? The spider or the weaver? Very good. The weaver waves the cloth. Okay, children. Then we will discuss about question 4. Why are the spiders busy? Why are the spiders busy? Why are the spiders busy? Can you say? Are they making tea? Are they playing all day and night? No. Then what is the answer? Why are they busy? They are busy. With what work? The spiders are busy for weaving the cobwebs. They are not making clothes for us. They are weaving their cobwebs. They are busy at work. Okay. The spiders are busy. The spiders are busy for weaving. W-E-A-V-I-N-G, weaving the cobwebs. The spiders are busy for weaving the cobwebs. Remember it. Then question number 5. What is the meaning of spindle? Okay, children, think about it. We have written the meaning. Please write down the meaning in your meaning notebooks. Okay, not in the obvious notebooks. Write down the meanings in your meaning notebook, giving the heading Lesson 7 of our English reader book. So, question number 5 is, what is the meaning of spindle? What is the meaning of spindle? Who used the spindle? Who used the spindle? Look at this. What is the meaning of spindle? I have told you spindle is an instrument by which The weavers weave their clothes. The spindles are the organ by which the spiders weave their cobwebs. Remember it. When spindle will given to us, we have to write about the weaver. When spindles will be given to us and told about the spider, we will write about it. That is an organ. It is an instrument. The spiders use their organ like the spindles, and the weavers use spindle, an instrument by which they weave cloths. Remember it. So children, spindle means a weaving instrument. Spindle means a weaving instrument used for hand stitching. Hand stitching. No, we have not seen it. No, we have. So, one thing is given to us. Sir, I have not told you. Used for hand stitching. Hand stitching means the weavers use manual things, not in the machine. So, who uses the spindle? The next question. Who uses? The weaver uses the spindle while weaving cloths. The weaver uses the spindle while weaving cloths. Now the next question is with it. Have you seen the spindle? Have you gone to the work site of a weaver? If you have gone, you could see it. Otherwise, I will show you the picture of the spindle. Look at this. This is called the spindle. I have told you about it earlier. So children, spindle means a weaving instrument used for hand stitching. The weaver uses the spindle while weaving cloths. Have you seen the spindle? You can write, yes, I have seen the spindle. If you have seen it. If you have not seen it, you can say, no, I have not seen it. Okay. So where is the cobweb? How is it? Where is the cobweb? The cobweb is on the telephone wires And how is it? The cobweb is on the telephone wires. It looks quite like weaver's unfinished cloth. It looks the weaver's unfinished cloth. When the cloth is unfinished, we can compare it with the spider's net. That is the cobweb. Okay, children? So please write down the question and answers in your question answer notebook. Okay, giving the heading lesson 7 cobweb, then put the date, then write down the question with black pen and the answer with blue pen. And after a question and answer, we have to give a space. We will leave a line. Then we can write the second question, then the answer. Remember it. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. Please read the lessons and the poems very well and mindfully. Otherwise, you cannot attend the question and answers in the examination. Please remember it and recite the poem again and again for 4 or 5 times. Then write down the answers and by heart the question and answers. Thank you very much.